Hello friends, welcome to our channel. So now we are going to see Python programming in the operator precedence and associativity. So what is an expression? What is the expression means? Expression is the combination of variables, values and operators. That means I say that NUM equals to a plus 5. NUM equals to a plus 5. This is an expression. In this expression, what is the combination of expression means? A variables, an operator and a values. Now, we can see some expressions. So, a equals to 10 plus 20. So, what is the output? It equals to 30. Now, you see, what is the output of this? Somebody says 10 plus 30 equals to 60. Somebody says 20 into 2 40 plus 10 50. If you know the precedence, so what is the precedence means? You are giving preference to which operator? Here there are two operators. In these two operators, for which operator you are giving more precedence? Either plus or asterisk. So for that we can see precedence table. So this is the operator precedence table in Python. The highest priority goes to parenthesis. The next precedence goes to exponent operation. Next precedence goes to unary plus, unary minus and bitwise not. Next precedence multiplication, division, floor division, modulus. Next precedence addition, subtraction. Next precedence bitwise shift operators. Next precedence bitwise and bitwise XOR, bitwise OR. The next comparison operators and identity operators and membership operators. Next precedence goes to not, logical not and logical and or logical or. Now you can answer our previous question. So A equals to 10 plus 20 into 2. So what is the answer? Highest precedence. Here there are two operators. First operator is plus, second operator is multiplication. So which operator have highest precedence? Multiplication. So first you can do multiplication. 2 into 2 40. Then 50. Now 50 is the correct answer. I hope you all are understand the precedence in Python. Now we can see what is associativity. Now I ask one question. A equals to 10 into 20 percentage 3. What is the result? First you are going to perform multiplication operation or modulus operation. So both have same precedence. So both having same precedence group. Then so what is the answer? At that time we need associativity. So what is the associativity? Associativity means if the operator precedence is the same, then how you can evaluate? Either you can left to right or right to left. In Python, almost all operators are evaluated from left to right except exponent operator. Okay, so that is the associativity. Now, what is the left to right? First you can perform 10 into 20, 200. Percentage 3. So that equals to 2. So 200 percentage 3, 2. So first you can perform multiplication. Why? These multiplication and modulus operator have same precedence. Then we follow the associativity. We see another example. A equals to 4 less than 6 less than 8. What that means? So less than. So 4 less than 6. You can go left to right. 4 less than 6. True. True means 1. 1 less than 8. True. So that means A equals to true. A equals to 5 or 4 shift 1. That means OR operator lowest priority and bitwise shift operator highest priority. So first you can do this operation. 4 shift 1. So that means 1 0 0 1. That means 0 1 0. It becomes 2. 4 shift 1 bit means it becomes 2. 5 or 2. That means we can perform bitwise operator on 5 and 2. What is the 5 equivalent? 0, 1, 1. 0, 0, 1, 0. So you are going to perform OR 1, 1, 1. That means it becomes 7. If you are using AND here, it returns all zeros. So at the time it returns 0. For example, A equals to 2. That means 3 square whole square, or we can 2 square 3. That means this is evaluated from right to left. That means 2 power 4. 3 asterisk 2 power 4, 2 power 2, 4. So 3 power 4, it is 81. So that only exponent operator evaluated right to left. The remaining operators are evaluated left to right. So now we see the operator precedence and associativity. So for example, I am giving a instruction 10 plus 20. We all know that there is only one operation plus, so it returns 30. Now I am taking another example 10 plus 20 into 2. So now we confuse, either we can perform first addition or multiplication. Based on the Python precedence, the multiplication have highest priority when comparing to plus. So a value equals to 50. We have highest precedence goes to parenthesis. Now I am giving that a equals to 10 plus 20 into 2. In this case, first the addition is performed. Why? Because the addition in parenthesis. After that, the 30 multiplied by 2. So that means now a value equals to 60. So next we see another example. A equals to 10 into 20 percentage 3. So modulus 3. So what that means? So 10 into 20 percentage 3. Here the multiplication and modulus, both the operators have same precedence. Now either we can go for multiplication or modulus operator means, then we know the associativity. In Python, associativity expect exponent for the remaining operators, the evaluation is done from left to right. So here 10 into 20 performed first, after that the modulus operation performed. So now we can see it returns true. So for example, I am giving the same instruction 10 multiplication 20 percentage 3. Here the parenthesis highest precedence, so modulus operation done first, next multiplication. Yeah, 20. So okay, a equals to 4 less than 6 less than 8. So 4 less than 6 less than 8, it returns true. Okay, so now we can see operations on bitwise. A equals to 5 or 4 and right shift 1 or shift. In these two operators, shift have highest precedence. So the first the bitwise shift operator performs, then we go for OR operation. So what it result? It results 7. Same like that, a equals to 5 and 4 right shift 1. What is the expected output? 0. And we can see the logical operator precedence. So a equals to 10 greater than 5 and 5 less than 3. So and is the lowest precedence. So first we can execute 10 greater than 5 and 5 less than 3. Then we are going to perform the logical AND operation. Say it's a false. And same like that OR also. A equals to 10 greater than 5 or 5 less than 3. It returns true. Exponent operator. A equals to 3 power 2 power 2. So that means 3 square whole square. So now the evaluation is started from right to left. That means first it find the 2 power square. What is the 2 power square? 4. Then 3 power 4. So that means it returns 81.